Namaskar. India Meteorological Department (IMD) welcomes you in Delhi Weather Briefing Program of 28 February 2022. So, in this briefing, we will discuss about past 24 hours realized weather, synoptic systems, weather forecast, and warning for next 5 days over different parts of the country. So, yesterday, heavy rainfall has been realized over Nicobar Islands. With if we look at rainfall value, then it was 9 centimeter over Nankabri and over Kar Nicobar it is 8 centimeter, and in Kerala 5 centimeter of moderate rainfall has been realized, and also moderate rainfall has been realized over Chhattisgarh. So this is the rainfall amount, and in East MP Anuppur also reported moderate rainfall. So this is about the satellite imagery with synoptic systems dated 28 February 2022. So in this presentation, we in this graph you can see that there are two troughs. One is located at 60° east and 30° north, and another trough in westerly in low tropospheric levels runs roughly 89° east and 22° north. And yesterday's cyclone circulation over South Andaman Sea is still persisting over South Andaman Sea and adjoining equatorial Indian Ocean, and it extends up to mid tropospheric levels. And as regards its forecast during next 24 hours, it is likely to become low pressure area over southeast Bay of Bengal, and thereafter it is likely to reach to Sri Lanka by the subsequent 48 hours. So under influence, this good amount of rainfall is expected over Tamil Nadu meteorological subdivisions. We will look at in detail in forthcoming slides. So accordingly, highlights of the briefing is isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall activity over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal on 3rd and 4th March, and two western disturbances likely to influence western Nimar region at adjoining plains till 3rd March of 22. Accordingly, it's already mentioned that there is a trough in lower tropospheric levels roughly 89 and 22. Under its influence, isolated activity is likely over Bihar, Submarin, West Bengal, and Sikkim, Chhattisgarh, Arunachal Pradesh, Northeast Assam, and Nagaland during next 24 hours. And also, as already mentioned, that there is a cyclone circulation over South Andaman Sea and adjoining equatorial Indian Ocean, and it is very likely to move west northwestwards, and that under its influence a low pressure area is very likely to form over southeast Bay of Bengal during next 24 hours, and is likely to move further towards Sri Lanka coast during subsequent 48 hours, as already mentioned here. And under its influence during next 24 hours, fairly widespread to widespread rainfall and thunderstorm activity likely over Andaman Nicobar Islands, and heavy rainfall is expected over Nicobar Islands during the next 24 hours, and fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall with thunderstorm lightning with isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall very likely over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal meteorological subdivision on 3rd and 4th March, and the isolated heavy rainfall is also expected over Rayalaseema on 4th March 22. So under influence of this likely low pressure area, this is the forecast for this rainfall warning. And as far as fishermen warning in association with the low pressure area are concerned, so on 28th February, squally wind 40 to 50 gusting to 60 is expected over South Andaman Sea and adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal. On 1st March, Southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining South Andaman Sea. On 2nd March, over Southwest and adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal. On 3rd March, Southwest Bay of Bengal, Gulf of Mannar, and along end of Tamil Nadu coast. And on 4th March, over Southwest Bay of Bengal and along end of North Tamil Nadu, South Coastal Andhra Pradesh coasts on this 4th March of 22. So fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas due to the squally winds 40 to 50 gusting to 60. We are regularly monitoring this system, and we will update our bulletins as and when required, and also we are regularly updating our different bulletins on our national website mosam.imd.gov.in, so you can refer for regular updates. And under the influence of this WD, which is runs roughly along 60 degrees and 30 north. So under its influence, isolated rainfall activity is expected over western Nimar region on 28 and 1st March, that is during next 2 days. And under the influence of this western disturbance, this scattered to fairly widespread rainfall is expected over Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, and isolated light rainfall, snowfall over Uttarakhand, and isolated light rainfall over adjoining plains, especially Punjab, Haryana, and North Rajasthan on 2nd and 3rd March 2022. So accordingly, we have given here graphics format for the different warnings. I have given here this yellow color for Northeast India due to the likelihood of thunderstorm and lightning, and also some thunderstorm activity is expected over Chhattisgarh meteorological subdivision. And on this is for today, and tomorrow there is no significant any significant warning has been issued. However, on 2nd and 3rd, this weather warning in terms of thunderstorm and lightning has been issued for Western Himar region and adjoining plains. And on 4th, on 3rd also this heavy rainfall warning, that is heavy to very heavy, and thunderstorm has been issued for thunder this Tamil Nadu meteorological subdivision. And on same day, this thunderstorm warning has been issued for this Kerala and Mahe meteorological subdivision. And 4th yellow color has been given to this Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and uh, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema. And here heavy rainfall symbols has also been added due to this heavy to very heavy Tamil Nadu on 4th, and heavy rainfall on 4th March over Rayalaseema. So accordingly, this is the graphics format. So this is all about today's daily weather briefing. We will discuss, and we will meet again tomorrow with another episode of daily weather briefing. Till then, bye.